ಇದು ರಾಗಿ with jaggery. Thank you.
So hi, good morning everyone. This is the Guide Runners India Yoga Day, and yoga, Sanskrit word for union, is an ancient Indian practice and focus on creating harmony in one's body and harmony in mind, body and soul. So what we are going to do today is a set of exercises followed by meditation. Let's come over to the mats, everybody.
Let's remove your shoes.
Yeah, let's remove the shoes.
And I don't even know how to do yoga. So तुम ये recording
Also,
करो.
that we have an International Yoga Day speaks volumes about the acceptance of the practice across the world and in improving health and well-being of everybody. And this day has been celebrated since 2015. And since the outbreak of this pandemic, there has been a growing realization on the value of yoga for overall well-being and health. So just as yoga is an inclusive approach to health, Guide Runners India works towards the inclusion of differently abled, particularly visually impaired, and all kinds of people coming from all walks of life, all societies, different professions. So we also think that Yoga Runners, the Yoga Runner Girls Initiative of Guide Runners India is a very important initiative where we do a lot of yoga in addition to other fitness activities for all people from all walks of life. So along with this group, there has been an extensive work done during the pandemic to support the needy in fulfilling their medical needs, they're finding jobs, connecting with the community at large, and to keep up the spirits during the challenging times. So the pandemic also gave us all the time and chance to ponder over the consequences of our lifestyle, private, and also extensive use of packaging and processing of consumer products over not only has not only affected our health but also the entire ecosystem. So just as yoga allows to create harmony within the sustainable living, sustainable living allows us to create harmony outside for the ecosystem. So let's all come together and celebrate for the betterment of the ecosystem and for the entire community. So let's begin by sitting on the mat and taking a posture for Sankalp. So let's sit down on the mat.
वो मुझे दे दो, मैं record करूँ, तुम करोगे?
No, it has to be put here on.
Yeah, this will be better. Fold this, no? And just move this.
It's not a record, it is a live.
Okay.
So I need people to watch me do the live session.
Okay.
You don't need mic now.
I don't need mic, I think. Yeah, get the chair. Can I have some silence, please?
ये निकाल दे क्या, ये बहुत आएगा.
So let's sit down and thinking about our Sankalp. You can sit with folded feet, either in Vajrasan or Padmasan.
वो chair को है ना थोड़ा ऐसे आड़ा कर दो, so everybody will be.
Keeping your eyes closed, visualize your goal. Think about what you wish to achieve by practicing yoga. How do you want to improve your lifestyle? How do you want to improve your mental health? Visualize that. Taking a few deep breaths. Gently locking your palms together, opening your eyes, stretching up, and stretch to the right and to the left. And release. Twist to the right. Hold. And release. Exhale to the left. Inhale, release. Exhale, right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now gently taking your hands in front of you, rotating your wrists. Rotate your wrists in the opposite direction. And release your hands. Hold your palm, fingers pointing to the sky, and your other palm is resting in the middle and not on top of the fingers. Pull it towards your chest. Hold and reverse. Hold and change the hand. Fingers to the sky. Fingers to the floor. And release. Now slowly rotating your shoulders. Circular motion. And reverse. Release your head to the right and circle. Close your eyes. Circle. Clockwise 3 times. And reverse. Up and down. And release gently. Now hold your palm onto your cheek and hold your head to the right. Gentle movement. Releasing the tension from your neck muscles. Release gently. Other side. Palm on the cheek. And release gently. Now slowly locking your palms behind your back. Going forward towards the mat. Hands gently coming up on both your feet. Your weight is balanced between both your legs. Taking your right leg up, rotate your ankle clockwise and reverse. Up and down, side to side. Change the leg. Can you have the flags behind? And reverse. If you need support, hold something, find balance. Up and down. And release. Gently rotating your knees, both the knees together. Rotate and reverse. Now taking your feet, your knees in circular motion inside and out. And reverse. Hands on your hips, feet slightly shoulder width apart. Rotating your hips. Good. Thanks everyone for joining and waiting for the session to open. Reverse. And side to side. And release. Now let's open out our hands, alternate up and down. And release. Gently, now we are moving on to Surya Namaskar, coming to the front of your mat. You're going to get your hands to the center of your chest. We are going to do 6 Surya Namaskars. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, Hastotthana. The hast, go down. Ashwa Sanchalana, right leg. Both the legs, Santolan. Knee, chest and chin down. Up into Bhujanga. Parvata. Right leg forward. Both the feet together. And up. Go down, Father hast.
Don't do so fast.
Left leg back. Right leg back. Knee, chest and chin. Inhale up, Bhujanga. Exhale. Inhale. Left leg forward. Both feet together. And up. Second round. Father hast. Right leg back, Ashwa Sanchalana. Both legs back, Santolan. Knee, chest and chin. Bhujanga. Parvata. Right leg forward. Pull your leg forward if it's not between your palms. Both feet together. And up. Go down. Left leg back. Right leg back. Knee, chest and chin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Left leg. Exhale. Inhale. Big breather. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg. Left leg. Knee, chest, chin. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale forward. Both feet together. And up. Go down. Father hast. Left leg back. Right leg back. Knee, chest and chin. Bhujanga. Forward. Left leg forward between your palms. Both feet together. And up. 3 more to go. Go down. Right leg back. Ashwa Sanchalan. Left leg back. Bhujanga. Forward. Very good. Right leg. Both feet. And up. Go down. Left leg. Both the legs. Knee, chest, chin. Up. Downward dog. Left leg forward between the palm. Both feet. And up. Last 2. Right leg back. Both the legs back. Knee, chest, chin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left. Both the legs. Knee, chest, chin. Up. Downward. Left leg. Both. Last one. Father hast. Right leg back. Both the legs back. Knee, chest, chin. Inhale, upward dog. Downward dog. Inhale, right. Both feet up. Go down. Left leg. Both the legs. Knee, chest. Up. And down. Left. Both feet up. And hands together. And Samasthiti. Now, thank you. And we will shift over to Nandini, yoga instructor for meditation. Will you come here? Yes, sir. Namaste. Vajrasana, Sukhasana, any comfortable posture. Meditation or pranayama? Meditation or pranayama? First we'll start 3 rounds of Sahaja Pranaya. Sahaja means natural breathe in and breathe out. So we have to control our breath. Everyone adopt Chin Mudra Datai. According to your capacity, take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. Again, deep breathe out. Hold your breath. Make sure breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. All should be equal. Now we'll do with the countings. Five counts. Inhale with the 5 counts. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, deep breathe out, secure abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purna Kumbhaka means inhale and hold. Purna Rechika, exhale and hold. So one last round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Secure abdomen and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the emptiness. Rechika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Deep breathe out. Because of COVID, we'll practice Vastrika, new techniques. So stretch your hands and while breathing out, pull it. Breathe out from the mouth. Now, three times up. Now, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the side, right side. Bend your body. Yeah. Now same way. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, turn to your left. Say 1. Breathe out. Relax. Deep breath in. Deep breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Kapalabhati. 10 times. You have to suck your breath out and feel there's a candle. Blow the candle. Breathe out. Suck your abdomen. Breathe out. No breathing in. So it happens. So start slowly. Now do it from the nose. Relax. When you do it from the mouth, it will glow your skin, get the shine on the skin, and it's very good for your respiratory system. First 5 rounds always we'll do it from the mouth, blowing a candle, then we'll do it from the nose. So we can increase the number. Okay. Yeah, you can sit in a comfortable posture. We can do the meditation, Sukhasana, Siddhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Purna Padmasana. This is Siddhasana. When you do the butterfly, you can shake it. Keep your left leg in, right leg out. So in this posture, you can sit for a long, so your spine also will be straight. So meditation, you're doing nothing, just observing your breaths and concentrating on our breath. No thoughts, no plan, no thinking. So just observe your breath. Keep a big smile on your face. Think in your mind, this 2 minutes is yours. Keep a smile on the face and observe your breath. Concentrate on your Ajna chakra. It is in between both the eyebrows. Feel there is one Omkara. Observe that. Observe your breath. Very slowly take a breath in and the deep breath out. Whenever you breathe in, feel the positive energy entering in your body and energizing your body. Whenever you breathe out, breathe out all the pain, strain, negative energy out of your body. Observe your whole body. Every breath in, breathe in the positive energy from the nature. Energize your body. You breathe out without the negative energy from your body out. The body is light up. Chant Akara, relax. Akara, Ukara, and Makara. While chanting Akara, observe your lower body. Come close to the face. When you chant Akara, observe your body, the center body from the face to the neck. When you chant Makara, observe your circulation. When you chant Akara, observe your lower body. Take a deep breath in. Feel the vibration of Akara in your body. When you chant Akara, observe your body from the face to the neck. Deep breath in. From the shoulder to the back of the head, let's hand deep breath in. While chanting Makara, pulling it down inwards. Inhale. Hum. Now we'll join arm together. We take it up on the deep breath in. All three mantras at a time. Arm on, take a deep breath in. Make sure all the three major mantras equal space and don't drag it possibly. Do it very comfortably, very outside. Take a deep breath in once again. Once again, one single breath. All the three major mantras again. vibration of your body. Slowly join your both the hands. Namaskara mudra. Don't touch your body. Just adopt Namaskara mudra. Let the energy rotate in your body, the positive energy. We'll chant Mrityunjaya mantra with one Omkara. Inhale. Trayambakam yajamahe sugantim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva vandana mrityormokshe yamamritat. Shanti, shanti, don't touch the eyes. Only take the eyes. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Happy International Yoga Day, and I will see you all again next week in the sessions. So bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Happy International Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste, namaste, namaste.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Happy Yoga Day. Organic. Thank you for
You can
joining us.
continue to talk about the organic living thing.
Yeah.
Because we reached the time.
Yeah, sorry.
So I'm going to hand over to Mr. Jairam. He's going to tell us a little bit about organic living before we finish.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining here. It is well said that you are what you eat. See, our health, today depends on what we eat, how do you live our life. Most important thing, particularly during this pandemic, everybody is talking about immunity. How the immunity is going to come? It's not by just, doing any other thing. Having the right food is most important aspect. Today, what we are eating is all junk food. If you think, that you are eating at home also good food, please don't, you are mistaken, because most of the food in your kitchen is coming from the factory. You are using all white sugar, white rice, refined oil, and all processed product. Even your masala, everything is processed in the factory. So, and what you are eating is really degrading your body slowly. So the immunity is going down. So what we have to do now for that, we have to switch over to the best, unprocessed and also very healthy food, like, millets and jaggery and, cold pressed oil, rock salt, and these things definitely going to change your lifestyle. And one more thing, very important, they move your body. Moving body is most important. Either yoga or walking or going to a gym or just doing some dance or anything, you should move your body so that, you get enough oxygen to your cells, which is very important. Food, exercise, and good mindset. The mindset, celebration with nature. Celebrate your life. This is only one chance we are born in this earth. We should make use of in a better way, good way, so that our life, becomes very meaningful, and we should create something better world. So let's all join together on this yoga day. Go organic. Organic is most important because all our food is contaminated by chemicals, not only while growing the food, but also in the processing in the factories. So please switch over. Now the food is mixed with colors, chemicals, pesticides, and all preservatives. Go out of these things and use natural and organic grown. And you can grow your own food at home also, like terrace garden. We have created a big movement in terrace garden in Bangalore city. Bangalore is most eco-friendly city. You should switch over to grow your own food in your terrace. Zero waste management, terrace gardening, and using all organic food definitely can change your life, definitely can transform your life. you can become a healthy person and beat any kind of pandemic. I am now 60 plus. I've gone everywhere. Pandemic has not created any problem because I am taking care of my body using right food. We are in the right food movement, good food movement. Let's all join together and do something better this world. Go organic, go with nature, celebrate life. Thank you.
So thank you, Mr. Jairam sir, for this opportunity. And I want to also tell you the agenda for today is now we are going to have breakfast, right?
Organic breakfast,
Organic. We're going to have organic breakfast.
organic lunch, and
Organic lunch,
planting trees.
yeah, and we have tree plantation also, and Umapai has got some very special plants. Do you want to tell about what plants you
Very
have?
inspiring. See, it's inspiring.
Yeah.
Madam
So
is
we
there,
have some
Akka.
plants, organic
Please plant
plants,
something.
and after that, after lunch, we also going to be having group activities by the lake. So Uma is going to tell about what plants we are going to do tree planting.
Hi all. Dr. Gupita, you are making us jealous, you people of Jha. Just
Oh.
here with no cement, no nothing, only trees and birds. Now we are going to do some tree planting because it was also environmental day, right? But just now we planted a lot of trees. So I got very rare trees. Like I got bird of paradise, and I got chiku, and I got pannerle. We call it pannerle in Kerala in Bangalore. It is rose apple, and chicus, all of you know, sapota. So we thought since we are here in the mother of nature, I thought we should do some tree planting. So now after a yummy breakfast, organic, of course, as Mr. Jairam told us, we'll go and do some tree planting. He's going to give us some coconut saplings also. You can take it home. I don't know, he has to say that. Thank you very much for being here.
Yeah, I want to say a few words about this farm. The Green Pass Suprashi farm is 23 years old. We are the beginners in organic farming. From last 2 decades, we are practicing organic farming. This is 40 years cycle, and we have done lots of experimental organic trainings and so many things. And about 45 countries, people, students, research people, farmers have visited this place, and lots of farmers all over India also they visited. And this is a center for learning organic.
Yeah.
So you should see lots of trees and varieties of plants, biodiversity, and we got making our own fertilizer, and we got an amphitheater, lake here, and it's a wonderful place where the mind naturally rejuvenate. This is what we have created. And in Bangalore also we are having Green Park Organic Food Store, India's largest organic food store, which is just opposite to the Mantri Mall, Metro Station, Malleshwaram, and we are running an eco hotel, eco retreat in Coorg. So we are into this hospitality as well as food, to give models for the organic movement. We are a part of the movement, so that you are most welcome to come to this farm. And Bhumika and team, we are going to work a lot together, collaborate, and we will promote, yoga, marathon, and organic.
Thank you, sir.
Everything together, because
Thank you.
Bhumika and me were running together. Marathon, I'm a marathon runner. I won many. I'm the photo finisher. She is also a photo finisher in our categories. So where it is energy coming? It's all because of the food. It's all because of the things what we are doing. It's all because of the what we believe.
Not only photo finish, she's showstopper also.
Yeah, stopper, and also she is in so many words, different parts of the world she has participated. So we should really get inspired from people like them, like us. So let's go organic. You are most welcome again to this farm. And this is part of the movement where we have to take the good food movement to the people.
Yeah.
And we are online also. Please go to organicgreenpot.com. You get all the certified organic products,
Yeah.
and it will deliver to your
Yeah.
home.
So
And you
come.
can come and pluck the vegetables.
So
also.
Millie does a lot of yoga. Come have
Yeah,
say
madam,
a few
please
words.
start. Please start. Millie, madam, most welcome.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Millie Punjabi here. So for me, yoga is like a prayer. Like how you do your prayer daily, so you have to do yoga also. So it is a must for nowadays for the immunity and all, for the health and all. So I have been practicing yoga from past 13 years. So it has helped me a lot. It has given me a lot of energy, like health benefits and all. So I just tell people to just do yoga. योगा से ही होगा सब कुछ योगा से ही आपका हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स होएगा. Thank you. Happy Yoga Day. Happy International Yoga Day. And thank you, Bhumika. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Millie. Anybody else would like to talk? Want to come? Whoever wants to drop from Zoom can please drop. We will continue for another 5 minutes.
Hello everyone. And today we are so thankful to Bhumika for providing us this platform and bringing all of us this organic form. And we are really enjoying and having our good time doing yoga and meeting our teammates after so long. So thank you Bhumika and thank you Guide Runner India.
Hi all, I mean, since we are here in the organic farm, I just wanted to share a health drink with all of you, which I make at home. I grow all these herbs, all these plants, like pudina, methi, palm leaf, okay, and all the greenery that I can get, including the stevia leaf, because I'm a diabetic and also a cancer survivor. So I make this health drink myself at home. All of you can also do this. It all grows in your backyard. So don't throw them. Just use it, make a thick chutney, put it in the fridge, 1 tablespoon for this glass of water, and then you add salt, pepper, haldi. It's very important to do haldi because it's antioxidant for especially for us cancer people. So you make all this chutney, take 1 tablespoon, fill up with water, stir, add lime juice. Then, and it's yummy. It tastes very good. Thank you. It's a health drink.
Thank you.
Location lead will talk. We'll leave.
I think we can close.
You want to say
Yeah.
anything?